me start. The first one, yesterday I have conducted exam. Overall written exam, seriously very good. I may not distribute the paper, but I have validated actually. Seriously very good. I have written nicely. Move on. Currently the running topic name is so called as online team. You also online papers I yet to validate. We'll see. I can even my feedback I can share. Offline I have done. Offline validation I have done. Good, we already know. So the topic will be since almost this is second time revision. Daniel, what is a module? Module means it's a Python program. Module means it's what, Sarji? Python program. Simple. A Python program is called as a module. A Python program is called as what exactly? Module. Daniel, can you give me a few examples? Yeah, definitely. Till now we have saved a programs demo1.py, demo2.py, demo3.py respectively. This is called as a program. Technically this we need to call as a module. Technically this we need to call as a module. Demo 1 module, demo 2 module, demo 3 module, demo 4 module actually. What is the main purpose of this example? What is the main purpose actually? What is the main purpose, you know, Sarji? From this chapter we are going to learn 3 keywords actually. From this chapter, from modules, from what exactly module chapter, we are going to learn three keywords actually. How many keywords, man? 3 keywords. The first one is called as a import keyword. We already done this, but anyway I can recap. The second one is called as a from keyword. Third one is called as a as keyword. Make a note on this one. These 3 keywords you need to be understand. If you done these 3 keywords, we can close the chapter. Next 30 minutes we are going to close. If don't keep alarm actually, just next it takes 30 minutes actually. 30 minutes. Okay, let me explain. Hey Daniel, what is the main motto for this chapter? What is the main motto actually? What is the main motto, you know? Let me tell you, Daniel, I have created one module. Module name is a demo1.py. That's still okay. Fine. I have even created one more module. Module name is a demo2.py. Demo what exactly, sir? 2.py. I have a question for you. Total how many modules? 2 module. Very good. Sir, demo 1. I have created a variable. Variable equals to 10. Variable value equals to 10. I have created one more variable. Variable value equals to what exactly? 20. Within the module you can print. This is possible. Print of A and print of B. Print of A and what exactly? Print of B. Within the module. Can you tell me what is the module name? Demo 1. Within the module, in a same module, if you want, you can print actually. If you want, you can print. Daniel, my main motto will be, can I print A and B inside demo 2? Sorry, you will get error. You will get what, Sarji? One more time, you will get it. If you really wanted to print, there is a process you need to be follow. What is that process, you know, sir? Import demo 1. Chapandi? Okay, that is the process you need to be follow. So import what we need to import? Demo 1. Chaptara demo 1. After you have imported demo 1, what we need to do, you know? Yeah, exactly. Module name dot variable name. What is the module name? Demo 1 dot. After imported module, do you want to access one more variable actually? Yeah, Daniel. So this is the way we can access. This is the best example for your better understanding actually. I'm pretty sure you are clear. Can I get a response from you? Yeah, this is the best way. Inside one module, we have a variable. Can I use those variables inside another module? Possible. By using only one keyword, that keyword name is a import. Import is a keyword. By using that, we can import a module. Chapan sir, who can import it? After importing module, Daniel, what to do? You know? Module having the members. You can access the members. You can access what, Sarji? That's what even we done in the last session. Simple code actually, right? Fine. Maybe I have taken one nice example. I would like to write the same example in front of you. While working with the module, please save both files in same folder. Yeah, good. So there is a one module name is a addition multiplication dot py. There is a module name is a addition multiplication dot py. Good. Everybody look at my screen. Inside this addition multiplication dot module, there is a one variable. There is a 2 functions. I would like to say variable name, function name, even parameter names. You ignore the parameter as of now. Variable name and function name are called as a members of the module. Chapan sir? Okay, that terminology is important. Conclusion of the story, module contain members. Keynote actually. This is the keynote, important. Keynote. How human having the body parts organs actually. Module contain members actually. Module contain what such members. Hey Daniel, what do you mean by members? You know, so members means variables. Chapan sir, variables. The next one functions. The next one classes. When I say classes, it contains methods actually. Methods like that you need to be understand. Okay. Now the last point. Last point actually. One more last point. We can. First point, we can import module. We can import what such a module. Then we can access members of the module. Chapter sir, members of the module actually. While accessing, follow the below point. Follow below point actually. What is the below point? You know, sir, module name dot member name. Module name dot member name. I mean to say module name dot variable name. Next one, module name dot function name. Perfect, Sachi. Perfect. Okay. So this is a small little theory. It's a right time I need to talk more on practical. Room is chilled, I guess. Can I reduce? Yeah. Come on. Let's do one thing. Maybe can I keep this one? Yes, Daniel. The next one. Daniel.py. Let me just try to add in the same example, then you can move on actually. Quickly I can walk through. So kindly please get ready to understand today's example. So I would like to talk about the import keyword. What keyword actually, sir? Import keyword. Get ready to answer this one. Yeah, Daniel, I have opened a coding folder. Coding folder is empty as of now. Listen carefully. Coding folder is empty. Let's open one small notepad. Let's open one notepad. Here I would like to write a code. That code would be x equals to 10. def addition function. What function? Addition function. A comma b. Two parameterized function search. To understand today's topic, you should know what is a function set list actual. Okay, right? Now the sum. Within the double quotes you need to write. The sum is, can you help me? A plus b. A plus what exactly, sir? B. Good. After that, I would like to write one more function. Function name is a multiplication. What is the function name? Multiplication. Now here x comma y. Let me just try to write. And column symbol here I would like to write the multiplication is. Can somebody help me? Column symbol. Chapter sir. X star y. Then so my main motto. Can I continue? Alright. My main motto will be not to print x within the module. Not to call the function this one. We already know this one. This topic we already know. But the point here it is, don't call. This is called as a just you done definition. You created a members. Chapter sir, you created a. I am planning to use these members in another module actually. That is possible. Within the module you can create. Within the module we can use. We already know this point. But our new point today will be, Daniel, in one module creation is done. In one module, I have defined the members actually. The same members, can I use in other module actually? We can do this, right? Let me save this one. Addition multiplication.py. Addition multiplication.py. Name should be matched. Otherwise, we'll get error. Error name is a module not found error. What is error name, sir? Module not found error. Match outunda sir name. Exactly. It should not be spell mistake. Good. All right, successfully I have written a program. So though you just defined everything actually, do you want to run that program? If you're running, nothing will be happen, sir. Why? Because you're not calling. You're not accessing variable. You're not calling a function actually. Can I continue? Now our main motto will be Let's open this code. Yeah. So open another notepad actually. This is beautiful, sir. Now we are playing with the two programs. Daniel, I wanted to print x. Generally, x is not defined here. Control S, Daniel.py. Intentionally, I am giving my name so that you will get a clarity actually. If you are running the Daniel, you will get what exactly, sir? Error name is a name error. What error? Name error. My main motto will be x is available in another module. But I cannot import here directly actually. I cannot access directly here. But there is one alternate way. What is that actually? Import name of the module. What is the name of the module? Addition multiplication dot. That's it. .py don't tell actually. Are you with me or not, sir? After step number 1, importing the module. Step number 2, accessing the members of the module. Inside this module, there is a member name is X. Okay, member name is X. Inside this module, there is a one function name is addition. Inside this module, there is a member name is a, yeah. Now I wanted to access. How to access, sir? You cannot access directly. Module name dot member name. Chappan sir, module name dot member name. One more time, module name dot. Very good. Let me just try to run the code actually. Perfect, sir. You got an output actually. We already know this. Daniel, I wanted to call the function. Yeah, this is the way you can call the function. Function having parameters there, 10, 20. So, this is the member. Where it is available? Inside this module. Module name dot function name. Module name dot. Excellent actually. Module name dot function name. This is the syntax you need to be follow. Syntax. Right. Daniel, this is the member. I am sorry, sir. This is the member. This one also member. When I say member, it can be variable name, it can be function name. That's it. It can be even class name also. Okay. This is still okay. Yeah, let me run this program, please. We got an output actually. Very nice. Daniel, I wanted to call multiplication. I wanted to call what, Sarji? Multiplication. No. You should not even call directly. Module name dot member name. Module name dot what, Sarji? Member name. We done this one. Let us move on. Even in the last week, I have covered this whole thing. Excellent actual. Are you clear, Sarji? Good. Let's take this one. We already done. One small important point. The point will be, I'm continuing today's session. Get ready for this. Whenever you are working with the module, ensure both modules should be in the same directory. When you are working with module, there are two modules here. First module and second module. First program and second program. Both programs should be in the same directory. Both programs should be in, otherwise error actually. Otherwise what, Sarji? Error actually, error. Daniel, imagine if the module is in different directory, the topic name is called as a package. What's the topic name? Package, we'll see later. Guys, are you clear or not, sir? Right. Now today discussion started. Maybe, okay. So regarding import. First of all, it is a keyword in Python. It is what, Sarji? Keyword in Python. By using this, what we can do? We can import module. Simple. We can import module. After importing, what we can do? We can access members of the module. Members of the what exactly, sir? Module. మీరు నా స్టేట్మెంట్స్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారో లేదో, either you observed my statements or not. I like always sweet on short actually. What is that, Sarji? Sweet on short. One line. I wanted to concise as possible as actually. Can you read what is the first point? Keyword in. Cool, very good. Right. The next one, we can import module. By using import keyword, we can import module. That's it. Close the discussion. The next one, after importing, what we can do? We can access. That word is important. Access the members of the module. Members of what exactly, sir? Module actually. Yeah, move on. A very, very important point I'm covering. What is that point, While importing the module, name should be match. While importing the module, name should be, madam, name should be match. Otherwise, you will get an error. While importing module, name should be match. Otherwise, we'll get error. Chappan sir, otherwise, we'll get error actually. What error, boss? Error name is a module not found error. F should be capital. I will tell you why. Module not found error. One more time. Module not found. Come on. Meer chadavali. Come on. Module not. One more time. Punishment. Module. Very good. When I'm asking read it actually, you have to read along with me. Let me show you. And especially one more important point. That important point, let me tell you. What you need to understand, You can just try to, did I close this? While you are working with the module, there is a one special folder. It will be created in the backend, supporting folder actually. You can ignore that. Yeah, PyCache folder. Good. This one is a module name, Daniel. Let's open even Daniel. Let's even open this one. I have a question for you. Can you read the module name? Addition, multiplication. Let me just try to give a wrong name actually. So first of all, that module is not available in current directory. You are trying to importing the module, but module name is not matching actually. You will get an error, sir. You will get what, Sarji? Error. Let me run the code. What error? Module not found error. What error, sir? Very good. Make a note on this one. Module not found error. I already covered this. I already covered this. Okay, that's what I wanted to cover. Especially while working with modules topic, modules topic actually. So there is one folder. There is one supporting folder. Supporting folder will be created. In current directory. Will be created in what such a current directory. That folder name is a __ pi cache __ this folder we can ignore. This folder we no need to focus actually. We can ignore this folder as of now. Okay, we'll discuss later. What is this one? Why this is? We'll discuss later. Okay. Cool. Then successfully we done importing module. These are all you guys need to walk through. Yeah, good. So import is a keyword. Blah blah blah. So why red color? One more time. Nice. Whenever you are working with the for compile file will be generated. It's okay. Cool. Move on. That point is not. Yeah. Now we are entering into the next keyword. Thank God. Maybe this is the so since long we are entering this topic actually. Yeah, as keyword. What keyword, Saji? As keyword. Get ready. Very very important. Quite interesting. This topic will be. Let's open. Yeah, Daniel. This one is addition multiplication. This one is a Daniel. This one is what, Saji? Daniel actually. Good. Everybody look at my screen. Just let me read the code. You don't need to read. Let me read the code. From I2 till this closing parenthesis, let me read actually. Import addition multiplication. Print addition multiplication dot x. Addition multiplication dot addition. Addition IO, sir. How many times I am reading this one? That too 1 kilometer name actually. Such a long name. What name actually? Long name. Think like on an average 10 variables would you have? I wanted to access 10 variables actually. Then every time addition multiplication dot first variable name, addition multiplication dot second variable name, it goes keep on actually. Hey Daniel, instead of this long name, can I concise it actually? Can I make it some short name? Yes, you can make it short name actually. What is that? Sir, simple. You can just have to come here. I wanted to alias this module name. I wanted to alias in the sense rename the module. What is that, Saji? Yeah, you can rename actually. To rename that module, you need to use one keyword. Keyword name is as. As means alias. Chappan sir? Aliasing actually. Aliasing. Yes. I would like to take the first letter. That's still okay. Anything you can take actually. And I would like to take these 3 letters. Then seriously, very good word actually. What is that word, sir? Amul milk. Amul actually. Yeah, you can give. Here onwards, I have question. What is the original module name? Addition multiplication. What is the short name actually? AMUL. Amul actually. Here onwards, you can use alias name. You can use what, Saji? This is just for readability purpose. This is just for convenient purpose actually. Are you clear or not, sir? See, let's take this one. You can alias name dot member name, alias name dot member name, alias name dot member name. This is really beautiful. What we done is, sir, 3 operations here actually. 3 operations. Operation number 1, you are importing the module. Operation number 2 seems to be module name is very long. Yeah, can I alias it actually? Can I rename it? You can rename it. To rename a module, you need to use a keyword. Keyword name is as. By using as keyword, we can rename the module. We can rename what, Saji? This is just optional. Hey Daniel, I don't like this keyword. I don't like to alias it actually. That's still okay. You can still proceed with module name dot member name. Otherwise, you can proceed with alias name dot member name. Chappan sir, alias name. What is alias name? Amul. Why you have given Amul? Can I give kind of some Nagaraju? Yeah, sir, you can give anything. You can give anything actually. You can give anything, right? Now, let me just try to save this example. You will get an idea. This is what you need to be understand. Perfect. You are getting an output actually. Meeku ardhamayinda sir? We'll do one thing. Let us update addition multiplication. Akkada oka variable add cheddam. Appudu meeku clarity vastadi. Y equals to 99. Now come to Daniel module. Come to what module, Saji? Daniel. Can I access Y actually? Yeah. Can I access directly? No. How to access? Yeah, very good. Alias name dot member name. Alias name dot member name actually. Exactly, sir. Exactly. Can I get a response? Meeku ardhamayinda? Good. If you understand, let me ask one question. Everybody tell me. In the given example, how many keywords I'm using? ఐ విల్ క్రై. మీరు కరెక్ట్గా చెప్పొద్దు, నేను ఏడుస్తా చెప్తున్నా. Very good, very good. 2 keywords we are using. How many keywords? 2 keywords. First one, import. Next one, as. Do you think Amul is keyword, sir? No. That is one of the brand milk actual. Are you with me or not, sir? Yeah, good. Make a note on this. Successfully we done. Daniel, what is as? Sir, simple. As is a keyword in Python. Amul milk, something like that, right? So by using this, what we can do? By using this, we can rename the module. We can alias actually, alias the module actually. After that, we can access members of the module with alias name. With what name, Sarji? Alias name. This is really beautiful, Sarji. Alias name actually. Alias name. Did you understand or not? Right? In real time, where we are using, దీన్ని మనం ఎక్కడ వాడుతున్నాం తెలుసా? In real time, let me tell you. Sir, import pandas as PD. Very good. Pandas is one of the library or module. Now we are aliasing to what exactly? PD. Very good. This one is a full module name. This one is a alias name. This one is what name? Alias name. Import numpy as a NP. Import numpy as what exactly? NP. So this you need to call as a numpy, but not numpy, dumpy, humpy, not like that actually. Numpy. One more time. Numpy. Numerical Python. Yeah, we have aliased actually. We have what, Sarji? Aliased. Are you clear? Nice. Let's move on. Then can I take one small example? You will get an idea. What I can do, I can take the above same codes and I can copy paste here and we can move on. Get ready. I need your help actually. Yeah, go Daniel. But this code I need to update. This code, right? How I can update? Very good, Sarji. Let's take this code and we can do this. Perfect, sir. We're done actually. Here why? Here what is required? Why? 20. Can I ask one question? While importing a module name should be matched. Otherwise?
Error.
One more time. Please make it. అది నేను రిస్టోర్ చేశాను కదా, ఎర్రర్స్ లో యాడ్ చేశాను. Did I add it actually? Let me check one more time. We added it last week. I still remember. Yeah, we have added actually. Wake up, right? Yeah, seems to be these are all errors. Yeah, fine. Yesterday I have given one question. That question will be write the error names actually. Write what, Sarji? Error names. Many guys have written nicely, but you have to write as it is, Sarji. You have to write as it is. This Python is ఎలా ఉండాలి అంటే how it will be, imagine you have taken one small paper. There is one important content. That important content will be, there is one treasure in one location. There are some diamonds in one location. You wanted to give one soft copy to your wife actually. I mean, you are unmarried, right? Your brother or your sister. You went to Xerox shop and you have taken Xerox. Xerox means as it is. Xerox means what, Sarji? You have to write exam like that actually. But how you have written, few of members, కొంతమంది ఎలా రాశారో తెలుసా? That's still okay. I will accept. Why? Because you are still juniors actually. Syntax, the next one will be error. I'm sorry. Syntax, what exactly? Error. Don't give the space. The next one, few guys they have written syntax, what exactly? Error actually. Few guys they have written error syntax. What is that? Sir, I'm sorry. Don't write whatever you want. When you are learning A to Z letter, there is one order. There is what, Sarji? One. Follow the order actually. If you follow the order, you can grab the things very nicely. But still okay. You are still learners. I will accept the mistakes. I never point you. But I am repeating again. Improve your practice actually. Improve your. Let's move on, please. Can I continue? Sure, Daniel, please. Where are we? We done this as keyword. Sir, regarding as keyword, there is one more fourth point is pending. One more point. Upcoming point actually. We'll discuss. Today only we'll discuss actually. Good. Till now, I have covered 2 keywords. The first keyword name is called as the import keyword. What is the first keyword name? Import keyword. The next keyword name is called as the as keyword. What keyword? Perfect, sir. We're done. Let's move on. You guys kindly please walk through. As is a keyword in Python. by using as keyword, we can rename or aliasing existing module. Import, so and so module name, original module name. Next one, alias name actually, alias name. Amol, AD, MUL, anything you can give actually. Yeah, good. Once this one is a original module name, this one is alias module name. Once you created a alias name, you have to use alias name only. Otherwise, error. Otherwise, what, Sajji? Error actually, error. Daniel, why aliasing? Just for more readability. Just for more what, Sajji? Readability. Let me tell you. My original name is this one, sir. Kasagani Nirikshan. Kasagani Nirikshana Rao. Nirikshana, what exactly? Rao actually. This is my original name. My nickname is Daniel. My nickname is what exactly? Daniel actually. Daniel. Good. Now, let me tell you. This one is a full name. Every time my family members, calling Kasagani Nirikshana Rao, they may feel frustrated actually. Instead of that, how they will call, in a short, they can call Nirikshan. They can call, sir, I would like to say, this one is a original module name, this one is alias actually. Right, good. If you want, I can make it here, as Nirikshan. As what exactly? Here onwards, what I need to call? Why? Because more readability. More what, Sajji? Readability. Are you clear? Yeah, good. Make a note on this. Fine, why red color? One more time. Now the next keyword we are entering. Nice. From keyword. What is the next topic, Sajji? From keyword. Important, sir. This is very, very important. Focus on this. Can I continue? Yeah, let's move. Focus on it. To explain this one, I need to go back and here. Yeah, so very good. This code also. Now I don't want alias as of now to explain the current topic. Good. One small suggestion, let me tell you. With module name, you are accessing something. That something having no parenthesis, variable. With module name, you are accessing something. With module name, you are accessing member. That member having no parenthesis, that is a variable. With module name, you are accessing something that is having parenthesis, that is a function. That is what? By looking at the code, you have to recognize like that. You are accessing something, no parenthesis, boss variable. What is that? You are accessing something having parenthesis. Tell me. If you already know, that is okay. Otherwise, I'm telling shortcut actually. Me teliste, Daniel, this is a small point we already know. That's still okay, sir. Can I continue? Yeah, let's take this. Let me take this. Let me go back and let us recall. This example we already know. Can I rerun the code actually? Yes, the example is executing successful. Very good. So simple. Import module name. Module name dot member name. First member, second member, third member, 4 members we are accessing. How many members? 4 members. Very good. Let's take this one. Try to understand the from keyword. Let's understand. First theory is important. Understand the from keyword actually. What keyword, Sarji? From keyword. Good. Sir, I would like to say this is the model. Instead of this model, there are 4 members. X member, the next one, Y member, the next one, addition member, the next one, multiplication. Thank you. Multiplication actually. Multiplication. I have a question for you. How many members? 4 members. Yeah, Daniel, this module having, this one is a module having 4 members. Having how many members, man? 4 members. 4 members actually. Good. Now I'm planning to writing a program. My program name is a Daniel.py. When I say module actually, my module. What module, sir? My module. My module actually. Everybody look at my screen. Now I have seen the code. I have seen this module. From this module there are 4 members. From this module there are 4 members actually. Here is a story. What is the story, sir? Out of all these members, I don't want all members. First of all, total how many members? Chapale, tell me. 4 members. I don't want all members, sir. I need only 1 member. But what happened, the moment whenever you are calling, one minute. Right, good. Import module name. Import what name, Sarji? Module name. Whenever you are writing this kind of code, what happened, sir? Let me tell you one small point. Imagine for this member, it may take 1 GB memory. Just think like that. For this one, it may take 1 GB memory. For this one, it may take a 1 GB memory. 1 GB memory. Now I have a question for you. Total how many members? 4 members. Each member, how much memory it is accessing? 4 GB, sir. Almost this member is occupying 1 GB memory. Second member 1 GB memory. Then total how much actually? 4 GB. The moment whenever you are importing this module, what happened, inside this module, 4 GB memory allocation is already done. 4 GB memory allocation is already done actually. But here I am trying to using only one member actually. Only one member. Only what exactly, sir? One member actually. Indirectly what happened, Anyway, you are using X actually, you are accessing. But indirectly here, 3 more GB memory wasted actually. First of all, did you understand the problem? Let me repeat one more time. Malli explain chestan chudandi. Understand that's what the story behind you need to understand. Then the current topic you will be understand actually. Back to the session. There is a one module I have created. Inside this module, 4 members. How many members? X, Y addition multiplication. Every member think like backend it is taking 1 GB memory. First member 1 GB, second member 1 GB, third member. Then total 4 members, how much GB? 4 GB. Just think like that. Imagine. Yeah, Daniel, is it possible? Possible, sir. Once I entered into the data science real-time project, actually, I will show you. Data set having the 1 GB size. But my requirement will be, I'm creating a module. Module name is a Daniel. Inside this Daniel, I don't want to access all members of the other module actually. I am planning to access only this member. Sir, simple, sir. Think like this is the demote. All things I don't want to buy. What I want, I can buy actually. Right, good. Then even though you have executed this program, what happened, backend? Indirectly inside this module, remaining 3 GB memory also, allocation is done. Indirectly you are wasting the memory. Indirectly you are wasting what, Sir Ji? Now here is the story. Daniel, the limitation. What is the limitation, Daniel module. Daniel module also occupied 3 GB memory for what exactly, sir? Other members. When I say other members, Y, addition, multiplication. One small point. Why I am worrying about this memory? Why? Because I am not using. If I am using, I never bother actually. See, I am not talking about X. Why? Because I am using. But even though I am not using, I am allocating the memory. I am allocating what, Sir Ji? Memory. Are you clear? Now, Daniel, what is the solution? What is the solution? Sir, to fix this issue, we need to use from keyword. What keyword actually? Are you clear? First of all, you understand the problem statement. Now, let me tell you how we can solve. Can I continue, Sir Ji? Nice. Let's move on. The same code, how we can write, Yeah, I'm just trying to explain the solution. Go back. Let me take the same code actually. Can I block it actually? Block yeah. Let us block it. Come on, Sir Ji. You can take this. Very good. You can write a module. Daniel module you are writing. I'm planning to use only X. Planning to use only what, Sir Ji? X actually. Planning to use only X, right? Then, what is the way, Previously, what is the keyword? Tell me. Import module name. Chappan, sir. Import module name. What is that module name? Addition, multiplication. Addition, what, Sir Ji? Import keyword. It will try to load all members actually. There is a small limitation. But what we need to do, Sir Ji? Comment this one. You need to use one keyword. That keyword combination name will be. What is that keyword combination name? Listen carefully. First, you need to write from keyword. First, you need to write what keyword? One more time. You need to write from keyword. After you have written from keyword, then give a small tab space actually. Here you need to write a import keyword. What keyword actually? Import. One more time. From keyword, next one. Import keyword. One more time. From keyword, next one. For import keyword, LHS is required. For import keyword, RHS is required. Very good. Pretty sure, no doubt at all, you got it actually. I need a response from you. From import, for import, what is required? LHS. What is required? Sir, what is the syntax? From LHS means name of the module, I would like to say module name actually, module name, import keyword, RHS member name. What name actually? Beautiful syntax actual. Beautiful syntax, right? Now, can you tell me from, what is the module name, Sarji? Addition, multiplication. Such a quite interesting actual. Yeah, good. Then import, can you talk with me? What is the member name? X actual. What exactly, sir? X. Yeah, seriously super. Now, if you are using this statement actually, you are importing everything. But now here you are importing only one member actually. Then this is really very good step. Hey boss, from this module, import this member. From this module, import what exactly? This member actually. Till now, are you clear? Can I continue? Good. What is one more added advantage, conclusion of the story? By using from keyword, we can import specific members. We can import what, Sarji? One more time. We can import specific members actually. Let me just try to write that point here. From keyword, from keyword. First point number 1, it is a keyword in Python. Daniel, what is the next point? By using from, we can import only specific members of the module. Come on, sir, Malu sir, Shadodani. Come on, everybody, let us read actually. We can import what's Saji? Only specific. Either X you want, you can access. Y you want, you can access. Instead of accessing everything. Instead of accessing what, Saji? Can I continue? One more added advantage. Then we can close the discussion. What is that one more added advantage, If you are using import keyword to print the module name, to print the member name, to print what's the member name, can you tell me the syntax actually? This is the way we can access. Am I right? Module name dot member name. But if you are using from keyword, what is a great added advantage, sir? You can print, you can access directly. This is great added advantage. Amazing actual. Sir, I hope you are getting. Let me repeat again. If you are using from keyword, two great added advantages. Two great added advantages actually. Advantage number 1, you can import specific member. Chapan sir, you can import. Then you can access directly. Then you can access what, Saji? Directly actually. Are you clear? Good. Let me show you a practical example. After we have imported, we can access members directly. What do you mean by that? No module name. Without module name. Without what, Saji? Module name kakarledu. Without module name. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. Now it's the right time. I need to talk more on practical so that we can move on. Easy. Very easy, sir. Very easy. Please be focused. I will explain one by one. Can I write in front of you? You will get an idea. Whole examples I will write one more time. Then you will get a nice idea. Yeah, Daniel, please. Sure, Sachi. Good. Let me even delete this. Okay. Let me create a folder. Folder name is a coding. Empty folder. It's okay. I like to keep here. Let's create a module. That module name I'm planning to give addition multiplication. What is the module name? Addition multiplication. X equals to 10, Y equals to 20. Now DEF addition. Column symbol. Can somebody help me? Okay. Maybe this is A comma B. The sum is. Can somebody help me? A plus B. Thank you. Then next one. DEF multiplication. X comma Y. It's okay. Here also X comma Y is there, right? Here also A comma B, C comma D. That's still okay, up to you. However you want, you can use such. If you want, you can give still same variable name. That's still okay. The multiplication. Chaptara? C star D. C star what, Sajji? Successfully I have created a module actually. Control S, in the same coding folder, addition multiplication .py, module name. Yeah, Daniel, the program is ready. Then you can just to take this one, module is ready, take that code, you can add actually. Sir, I'm looking help from you actually. This one is a code. Are you ready? Now I am planning to create another module. Module name is a Daniel. I wanted to access only one member. I wanted to access only. Are you ready? We'll write actually. Get ready. Let's write Daniel. Open. From. After from. Import keyword. For import keyword, LHS required. For import keyword, RHS required. RHS required. This LHS is name of the module. Sorry, this LHS is name of the module. What is the name of the module, Sarji? Very nice. You guys are following nicely. I'm very good in copy paste. Let me show my skills. Let's minimize this. Close this. Perfect. You are importing the module, Sarji. Long space I have given. One space is fine. One space is fine. Sir, RHS is what exactly? Member name. What is that? Member name. What is a member? X. That's it. Here is a beauty. Print X directly. Print what exactly, sir? X directly. How nice it is, you know. Control S. Daniel.py. Go to all files. Sir, done. Your code is done. Now let's run the code actually. Open coding folder. You can run like this. You can run word search like this actually. Perfect. Perfect. You got an output actually. Beautiful. From is a keyword. I'm repeating again. By using from keyword, you can access specific members. You can access. You can import the specific members. After importing, you can access the members directly. You can access members directly. Daniel, I wanted to access one more member. Comma, addition. Comma, what, Sarji? Addition. Yes, you can do like this actually. Member number 1. First member, second member, third member, comma separated actually, right? Addition is a function, right? Now function we need to call. You can call the function directly. 10, 20, absolutely valid, sir. Absolutely valid actually. How nice it is actually. Can I ask a question? In this module, these two call as a members. In this module, these two call as what, Sarji? But when I say what kind of member? Variable. What kind of member? Function. Very nice actually. Sir. Very nice. Let's take this one. Very simple. Daniel.py. Hey Daniel, do you have any alternative actually? Yeah. Let me show you one alternative code. One alternative code actually. What is that alternative, you know? Or above code, instead of this, you can write like this also. You can write like this also. How you can write, you know? Daniel, I don't want to provide comma. Then what we need to do, you know, Sarji? Same story. From. Yeah, very good. From again. Addition, multiplication. This is the good practice in real time. We are doing same thing. Import, addition. Import what, Sarji? Addition. I don't like comma separated. Even this is the good practice. In real time, you know very well what you are trying to importing. Import first member. Import second member. Import second member actually. Sir, are you getting? Nice. Let's move on. Let's run this code actually. Very good. You got an output. You got what, Sarji? Output. Can I continue? Nice. Coding is very easy, sir. Very, very easy. You know, you should not sleep. Then you will understand. So that's what we understand. What about online team? Online team, are you clear? So I will give a small recap. Online team, how are you, sir? Please talk with me. I'm sorry. Somebody is asking a question over online. We can use star symbol also. There is upcoming point. There is upcoming discussion in another 5 minutes actually. Another 5 minutes. Get ready. Get ready. So seems to be from is like there is one question from old batch student, previous batch student actually. What is a previous batch student? You know, Daniel, I understand your topic very nicely, but while I'm writing the code, I got a little confusion. I got what, Saji? Little confusion. He asked this question actually. What question? You know, automatically what I'm doing is I'm importing the module. From this model, I'm just trying to importing by using from X. I'm doing actually X. What exactly, sir? I'm doing. He's doing like this actually. He's doing like this. Then he asked, which one is a valid? You tell me which one is a valid. First one. Which one is valid? First one. Right. Good. If you wanted to remember, sir, let us take a F letter. Let us take a I letter. Which letter is the first in English? Then from is the first actual. Did you understand? From, I'm sorry, from, module name, import, member name. Very nice actually. But still if you are confusing in the sense, I don't know what to say. No confusion. Can I get a response from you? Right. Please make a note of. I know you are thinking, who asked this question actually? Yeah, there are some students they will ask actually. Right? From is a keyword in Python. We can import some specific members of the module by using from keyword. By using from keyword, we can import specific members. The main advantage from keyword is we can access members directly. That is a beautiful actually. We can access members what Sarji? Directly actually. This is serious. Sir, why red color? 3 keywords I covered today. 3 keywords. Import keyword, from keyword, as keyword. Nice, nice. Yeah, you can walk through. Beautiful, sir. Comma separated also I'm giving. Yeah, look at my code. Look at our code actually. What you are importing? Addition. But what you are calling? How come it is possible? If you are using from keyword, are you working with the from keyword actually? What you have imported, you have to use the same. But if you are calling other thing, you will get a name error. What error? Name error actually. Name error. Now the last topic. Once we done this, then we can close the discussion. We can close the discussion. Oh, 2 more examples, sir. Member aliasing also we can do actually. Oh, all right. Last example. The last example will be star symbol. What symbol? This is available in Python, but we are not using. In modules topic, star symbol we do have actually, but we are not using. Daniel, what is the added advantage? It is not added advantage. It is again going back actually. We can use star symbol to import all members of the module. Import what, Saji? All members of the module. See, from addition multiplication, import star. Again counter question. What is star? Star means all members. Where are all members? Open the module and you have to check actual. Instead of this one, go with member name. Go with what, Saji? Member name. That is the best practice. That is what exactly? Best practice. Are you getting or not? Good. So let me just try to write this code. Let me write this code actually. You can, Daniel. Where is the Daniel, Saji? You can open Daniel. Can you talk with me from, cheptandi sir, from addition multiplication. Import star symbol. Star indicates to all. Star. Then print of x. Though I have written code, I know very well actually. Why? Because you know what are the members. Yeah, multiplication. As of now, let us input only these 2. This is the valid code. Let us run Daniel. Perfect. You are getting an output. Are you getting, sir? Let's take this code. Star symbol. Star means all, but we are not using in real time. Star symbol. No, sorry, sir. Sorry. Please correct me if that kind of mistakes. I am from Telugu medium back. Please correct me actually. The last example. What is the last example? You know, regarding as keyword, I already covered. As of now, what is advantage with as keyword actually? Module. You can just try to alias the module. Alias what, Sarji? Module. Good. Let me just try to cover one more time. As keyword. Daniel, what is this one? It is a keyword in Python. It is a keyword in Python. What is the main added? We can alias the module. We can what exactly? Rename or alias the module. Alias what, Sarji? Module. Sir, not only module aliasing, we can rename or alias members also. What exactly, sir? Members of the module also. Alias the members of the module also. Members of the module. Members of the module also. Conclusion of the story, as is a keyword, there are 2 advantages, boss. You can rename the module. Based on requirement, you can rename the member also. You can rename what, Saji? You can rename? Let me show you how we can do. Let me show you. This combination is awesome actually. Awesome combination. What is this combination? You know, go back. Let me just show you. The same code I would like to take. From addition, multiplication, import. Can you help me, sir? Addition. Imagine, let us just try to take addition actually. Addition you can call 10, 20. 10, what, Sarji? 20. Yeah, good. You can get output actually, no doubt in that. But Daniel, even this name is a very long. How we know how to rename actually. Then this name also very long. Can I rename addition actually? Yes, you can do. As add. As what exactly, sir? Now what we done, As is a keyword. By using that, we renamed the member. We done rename to what? Member actually. Here onwards, instead of addition, what we can do? Add actually. And even this one is a very rare. Real time lamp use cheyaledu, but you should have aware. Exactly. This one is a valid code actually. I'm sure you understand. As is a keyword, two added advantages. One, you can rename the module. Next one, you can rename members of the module. You can rename. That's it. Sir, the good news. We done today's session. No. Module topic we done. Module topic we done. This is the combination of from the next one, import, and next one, and as keywords. Perfect example actually. Perfect example. That's what. Let's close this topic. అయ్యో ఈ టాపిక్ 2-3 రోజుల నుంచి మనం నానుస్తూ వస్తున్నాం. కెన్ వి యూజ్ ఎల్ఏఎస్ నేమ్ టు ఫంక్షన్? యా, వీ కెన్ యూజ్. కిషోర్ గారు, యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఎవ్రీవేర్ యాక్చువల్, ఎవ్రీవేర్. ఓకే, కెన్ ఐ కంటిన్యూ? ఫైన్, లెట్స్ మూవ్ ఆన్. So we done this module topic. First of all, let me close these are all. We need to enter into the new topic. I need to set the environment for that. Please, everybody look at my screen. Daniel, can you give a small recap? Okay. Recap in the sense only notes I will write actually. Module topic notes. Module topic actual. Topic notes. Everybody please. First I would like to talk about the import. Simple import is a keyword in Python. By using import, what we can do? Just import the module. We can import the module. After importing, what we can do? We can access, very good, members of the module. That's it, we can close the discussion regarding import. The next one, as keyword. What keyword, Saji? As keyword. Yes. As is a keyword in Python. As is what, Saji? Keyword in Python. Hey Daniel, what is the added advantage? We can, chaptara, rename the module. We can rename what, Saji? We can rename the module. Not only module, Saji, we can member name also. We can rename members of the module also. Members, members of the module also. The next one, from keyword. What keyword? From keyword. Daniel, what is a from? From is a keyword in Python. Let us just keep like this. I'm sorry. The next one, Chapter sir, we can import specific. We can import the module. We can import specific members of the module. Thank you. Members of the module. After importing, can you tell me we can access directly? We can access what exactly, sir? Directly. Yeah, this is the way you should. This snapshot you should have in your brain actually. Then thank you, sir. Let's move on. Good. Now repeating again. Can you tell me this one is a whole module topic snapshot actually. Import. During interview you need to explain like this. Then they will get a clear picture actually. Import, next one as, next one from. These are all such nice actually. Can I continue? Yeah, we done this module topic. It's a right time. I need to enter into the next topic actually. 10:27. Time తెలియలేదు sir. Then let us close this first actually. Good. Sir, after module, according to the order, the topic name is called as a package. What is the topic name? But package you may not understand immediately. To understand the package, there is a prerequisite. You should know one topic. The topic name is a WOOPS. What is the topic name? WOOPS, Object Oriented Programming. End of this session I will cover actually. Okay. Yeah, that's what I kept after WOOPS topic. Now then list data structure will become what exactly, sir? Running topic. This topic will become what exactly? Running. Get ready. My favorite topic actually. You can see the dance. Yeah. Chappan sir, tell me. Yeah, both are same. Object oriented approach and so OOPs both are same. You know Telugu? Good. Let's close this.
పెట్టు మాకు కూడా పడలేదు.
Let's open list data structure. Let's open what, Sarji? List data structure. Online team, can I continue? I need a response from everybody. Online team, please respond. Please respond, online team. Yeah, I'm waiting for your response. I'm looking at the chart actually. Please tell me. I'm sure you are clear about the module topic, I guess. Now it's the right time I need to start. Oh, okay. I'm getting responses. Very nice. Good, then let's close the camera. Let's move on. Can you tell me what is the topic name? Okay, first I will tell you. I will start explanation from data. Then I will explain about the data structure. Then I will explain about the list data structure. This is the best way of explanation. You will get a clarity. You will get what exactly, sir? Clarity. Are you ready? Good. So list to data structure I supposed to start directly, but I never attack directly actually. I will go from scratch. I will explain the roots first. First you should know data. Data we already covered. Anyway, let me give a recap actually. After you understand about the data, next one, data structure. Let me explain about that. After data structure, we have a different types of the data structure. One of the data structure is called as a list to data structure. Let me start explanation from data. Okay, Daniel, what is a data? Simple, sir. Data is a collection of facts. What is that? Collection of facts. Okay, collection of facts. Good. Then what is again facts actually? Facts means it can be hold on. Alphabets, it can be alphabets. The next one, it can be numbers, alphanumeric. Thank you. Alphanumeric, enough actual. Alphanumeric, etc. And what exactly, sir? etc. Image, audio, video, these are all. I would like to take one small example. Okay, చిన్న example తీసుకుంటాను. Let me take the examples will be a kind of some Amazon yesterday transactions. Amazon done some transactions actually. When I say transactions, it's done some business in Amazon over online. They sold some products actually. Am I right or not, sir? So these are all products actually. What are those products, Sarji? There is one item, 100 rupees. There is another item, 200 rupees. There is another item, 300 and 400. Let us take 4 transactions. Yesterday, the total business is how much actually, sir? 4 transactions happened. How many transactions? 4 transactions. Very good. Can you tell me what is the first one? 100, 200, 300, 400. Please be silent, sir. Please be silent actually. Now I would like to say, can I say this is the data? Sir, can I say this is the data? Yes, exactly, it is the data. Why? Because these are all numerical data. What data? Numerical data. This is called as a data. This is called as what exactly, sir? Data actual. This is called as a data. Listen carefully. Whenever you are talking about the data, this point is important. Think about the 2 operations. Think about what, Sarji? 2 operations. These 2 operations are very, very important. What is the first operation? Store the data. Okay. The next operation, process the data. Quite interesting. Boss, are you talking about the data? Yeah, Daniel, I am talking about the data. When you are talking about the data, there are mainly 2 major operations, madam. First one, store the data. The next one, process the data. Very good. Daniel, how to do, right? By using data structure, we can do these 2 operations actually. Okay, quite interesting. Data structure is a variable. By using that, we can store the data. We can what exactly, sir? Store the data and we can process the data. We can store and process the data. When I say, this data, even we can say process the data actually. I will tell you what do you mean by storing, what do you mean by processing. Step by step I will tell you actually. First of all, I make a note on this. Data structure is a variable. Japan data structure is a, by using the data structure, you can store the data, you can Sir, very simple, sir. Let me take one small example. Let us take a coin. Coin having how many parts? Chappan, sir. 2. First one, head part. Next one, tail part. Here also same. Are you talking about the data structure? Yeah, Daniel. 2 operations, sir. First one, store the data. Next one,
Process the data.
that's it actual. Yeah, when you are talking about the storing the data, if you are using list to we can use list to data structure. This is really beautiful. Now, I'm using list to store the data. Listen carefully. Are you getting everybody? మీకు అర్థమవుతుందని నేను చెప్పేది? Good. I'm using list to data structure. I'm using what data structure? Now it's a right time. Daniel, what do you mean by processing? What do you mean by processing? You know, sir, processing అంటే ఏంటో చెప్పమంటారా? Yeah, let me tell you. What do you mean by processing? You know, from this, oh sorry sir, 100, 200, 300, right? ఇది కదా? Sorry. Take like this. ఈ డేటాను తీసుకుందాం. ఈ డేటాను తీసుకుని ఏం చేద్దామంటే, what do you mean by processing? You know, processing means, sir, can you tell me what is the minimum value? Minimum transaction ఎంత? 100. Okay. What is the maximum transaction? Nice, you got it, I guess. 400. What is the total sum actually? 1000. Very good. 1000, Sarji. 100 plus 200, 300, 300 plus 300, 600, 600 plus 400, total 1000 actually. What exactly, sir? 1000. Can I tell you? Once you are storing the data, are you talking about the minimum value, maximum value, sum of the total transaction? What is the total transaction? Any idea? What is the length, Sarji? 4 transactions actually. 4 transactions, right? These operations are called as a processing the data. These operations are called as a, what do you mean by processing? You know, imagine you got your 10th class certificate in your hand actually. First point what you will, you know, which subject you got a highest mark actually. That is called as a processing operation. Which subject you got a less marks actually. That is called as a processing operation. What is the total marks? These are all processing operation. It is also having another name. That is called as a analysis. What is that, Sajid? I need a response. Conclusion of the story. Data structure is a variable. Data structure is a, by using data structure, you can perform 2 operations. First one, store the data. Next one, process the data. Store the data. We need to use one data structure. I'm using list to data structure. I'm using what, Sajid? After you are storing, yeah, what operation you want? I wanted to find minimum value. Yes, you can find out. Maximum value you can find out. Sum you need to find out actually. Can I continue? Yeah. That's the main ad. This is just introduction, sir. My favorite topic actually. Cinema. Just now we are going to shot the cinema. Can I maintain boundary like this? Yeah. Then let's stop. Let me stop my overreaction. Good. Daniel, why should we learn about data structure? Why should you learn? You know, the common requirement in any real-time project. Take any real-time project. There are some processing operations we need to perform. There are some processing operations actually. The common requirement in any real-time project is like creating, updating, retrieving and deleting elements, values actually. Also called as a code operations, CRUD operations actually. The few more real-time operations like, you know, storing the data, one of the important operation. Best example, companies are generating the data. All companies, they supposed to store the data first actually. Best example, you started getting a job. You will get a money. You will get what, Saji? Money. Storing in the sense saving actually. Yeah. What is the next one? You know, searching operation. Storing the data, searching the data, retrieving, deleting, processing. We'll see what do you mean by processing. Next one, duplicate data. Sometimes we may get a duplicate transaction. Next one, order data, unordered data. One more time, order data, unordered data. Size, capacity, sorting, unsorting, random access, keys, values. Ayo sir, these are all operations. Do you wanted to learn practically? Then you need to learn list data structure. Do you wanted to know how to store the data like you ordered actually? List data structure. Do you wanted to search the specific element actually? List data structure. Are you ready? Good. Let's move on. So to understand above operations, where to use and how How to use, then we need to learn about the data structure topic. What topic, Sarji? Data structure topic. Data structure topic. Okay. Quite interesting.
మా
Now, data structure
sir.
definition.
రండి
So
లోపలండి
in Python,
లోపలండి
we have a 4 data structures. Important point, make a note on this one. Important keynote actually. Keynote. In Python, we do have 4. We do have 4 main data structures actually. 4 data structures. Yeah. The first one is called as a list to data structure. Chapter, what is the first one? List to data structure. The second one is called as a tuple data structure. I need your response actually. What is the second one? Tuple. It's a tuple but not tuple actually. Set a data structure. Set data structure. Fourth one is what exactly, sir? Dict. Dict also called as a dictionary. What is that one, Sarji? Dictionary. Dict data structure. Of course, you know what? Fifth one, bytes would you have? Sir, I was a full stack Python developer. I know end to end actually. The next one, sixth one, byte array would you have? And here, so frozen set would you have? One more point. One more frozen set actually. Frozen set data structure actually. Trust me, these are all we are not using in real time. But being a data scientist, you should know that. Daniel, how you know actually? That's what I'm telling. I was full stack Python developer. I know end-to-end Python actually. But for you guys, these are all not required. Only the first 4 things are important actually. Can you read along with me? First one, list. Hold on. Let us read like this. List, tuple, set, dictionary. One more time. List, tuple, set, dictionary. Now the today topic will be list to data structure. Let us try to understand the data structure definition. Let us try to understand what is Sarji? Data structure definition according to the Python. According to the Python, let us understand. There is some technical definition. I will explain this one nicely. Don't worry. Sir, a small request. Don't miss tomorrow's session. Don't miss tomorrow's session. If you miss tomorrow's session, you are missing 3 interview questions. You are missing how many? 3 interview questions actually. Not only 3 interview questions. In every regular day, a data structure topic we are using in a project actually. So you have to be very clear. Tomorrow we are going to discuss. No. Today's session is not yet done. We have another 5 minutes actually. Can I continue? I will continue. Let's continue. Fine. If you wanted to store, okay, sentence number 1, a group of individual objects or values.
in a single entity.
Objects or values. In a single entity. Okay. Then you should go for the data structures. You should go for what, Sarji? Data structure. So seems to be one line, but that one line I have divided into 4 steps actually. That one line I have divided into what, Sarji? 4 steps. 4 steps, right? Now, can you tell me what is the first one? If you wanted to store, okay, do you wanted to store actually? Yes. What you wanted to store? Group of values, Sarji. Group of individual values. When I say individual, I do have a 5 integers, 10 floating values, 20 string values. These are all individual values. These are all what values, man? Individual value, right? If you wanted to store, okay, what you wanted to store? Group of values. Otherwise, group of individual values. Where in a single entity, in a single variable, I wanted to store. So seems to be lot of values I wanted to store in a single variable. Then go for data structure. Then go for what, Sarji? Yeah, then we should go for the data structure. You should go for what, Sarji? Are you clear? Come on, let us read everybody the definition. If you wanted to store a group of individual values in a single entity, then you should go for data structure. Fine, sir. If I start I may not stop in between. Maybe we done today's session, right? Or I request you don't miss tomorrow's session, please. This is the just introduction.